Welcome to Targeted Education for All. We'll have the mathematics course outline presented to you. I'm Tume Etienne Lamfi, third year electrical engineer at the National Advanced School of Engineering Yaoundé. I had 10 papers at the ordinary level, 26 points, and 5 papers at the advanced level, 25 points. I have 3 years experience in teaching. For the general objectives, you need to know the chapters which commonly arise for the concours. You need to be confident in undertaking concours questions and know the different tactics in answering the various concours questions. Also, you need to auto-evaluate yourself at the end of every chapter. The course content. For the first chapter, we'll have approximations, where we'll have an introduction, approximations to the nth root, approximations of natural logarithms, approximations using Maclaurin series expansion, approximations of trigonometric angles, solved examples and exercises. Under chapter 2, we'll have logics and arithmetics, where we'll look at logic and arithmetics in Z. And finally, we'll have solved examples and exercises. Under chapter 3, we'll have a linear algebra, where we'll see matrix representation and size, review of determinants, the methods of cofactor, Cramer's rule, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, diagonalization, solved examples and exercises. Under chapter 4, we'll have vector calculus and barycentres, where we'll see scalar product, commonly known as dot product, vector product or cross product, scalar triple product, known as mixed product. We'll also have lines and planes, angles, areas and volumes, distances, circles and spheres, barycentres, level lines, and at the end of it all, we'll have solved examples and exercises. Under chapter 5, we'll have affine transformations, where we'll have some basic definitions, compositions, similitudes, solved examples and exercises. Chapter 5, we'll have complex numbers, where we'll study the algebraic form of a complex number, the trigonometric form of a complex number, the root of a complex number, the geometrical interpretations, solved examples and exercises. Chapter 7, conic sections. We'll see the characteristic elements of a conic section, solved examples and exercises. Chapter 8, sequences and series, where we'll have numerical sequences, numerical series, solved examples and exercises. Under chapter 9, we'll have functions, where we'll see some basic definitions. We'll see the studying of limits of a function, continuity of a function, derivability of a function, studying the asymptotes to a curve, studying a function, solved examples and exercises. Chapter 9, differentiation. We'll have some basic differentials, rules of differentiation, differentials of logarithmic functions, differential of trigonometric functions, differentials of inverse trigonometric functions, techniques of differentiation, applications of differentiation, and solved examples and exercises. Chapter 10, integration and differential equations, where we'll have definite integral, primitives, simple improper integrals, differential equations, first order differential equations, second order differential equations, solved examples and exercises. Chapter 11 will study combinatory analysis and probability, where we'll have combinatory analysis, outcomes, events and probability, random variables, families of discrete distribution, continuous distribution, solved examples and exercises. And finally, we'll have chapter 11, moment of inertia, where we'll talk about the introduction to moment of inertia of common figures such as rods, cones, circles, moment of inertia of composite figures, solved examples and exercises. Thanks for your keen attention. You can join us on tefaafrique.com or contact the various contacts you see below.